Here's the truth about Forex no one wants to say, especially here in Kenya. Forex didn't fail you. The way you are taught did. Let's talk about the truth behind one of the most misunderstood money markets in Kenya and around the world. 5 key things here. Number 1, the worry and the shame. Let's be honest. When you hear Forex in Kenya, you probably think pyramid schemes, guys who used to drive Mercedes and are now selling mitumba, online trading that ruined your cousin's life. And you're not wrong. Those stories are real, but they are not the full story. They are the symptoms of a deeper issue. People are jumping into the world of high-level finance with low-level knowledge. Number 2, and we are coming to something here. Why people misunderstand Forex. Here's the thing people struggle with when it comes to Forex. They think it's quick money, and it's not. They treat it like gambling, and it's not. They get signals from strangers, not strategies they understand. They never study real market structure, risk management, or liquidity. But more importantly, they don't understand why Forex even exists and who originally it was meant for. Number 3, who actually wins in Forex? Here's the plot twist. Governments use Forex to stabilize their economies. Banks use it daily to hedge and grow wealth. Multinationals use it to transfer billions across borders. Airlines, importers, global brands all use Forex as a business tool. So if Forex is fake, why is it the backbone of every serious institution? Simple. They understand it. And they play the right way with systems, education, and risk control. Number 4, if you've been doing it wrong, this is for you. If you blew your first account in a day or a week, felt hype then humbled, stopped trading out of fear, or even worse, you're still trading blind, hoping this next signal is the one. It's time for a reset, my friend. You don't need another guru. You need to learn the real game from the ground up. Number 5, you need to learn, relearn, and then master. Forex is not a hustle. It's a global financial instrument. And like any other powerful tool, it requires patience, structure, strategy, mentorship, deep understanding of the global economy. That's why at joelmkaraoke.com, I offer Forex coaching built for mastery, not hype. We go deep into how banks trade. We analyze charts with strategy, not superstition. We build traders, not gamblers. And we teach you to win sustainably or not trade at all. You've been lied to about Forex. Not because people are evil, but because they are lazy. But the truth is very simple. If you treat Forex like a game, you lose. But if you treat it like a global career, you'll thrive. It's not too late to get it right, but you must unlearn what broke you and relearn what will build you. If you're ready to learn Forex the way professionals do, with structure, discipline, and mastery, click the link in my bio. Book a one-on-one. Join a course. Let's rebuild your trading mind from the inside out. Because Forex is not a scam, my people. But ignorance is. And it's costing you more than money.